Hi guys, this is Sangeeta and welcome back to my channel. So today's video gonna be a very interesting one as we will make this beautiful tiara and crown with the help of only wire and stones. But before moving into the video, make sure you subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my creativity. Now getting into the video, I am using floral wire of 24 gauge and stones, but you can use more thin wire. Now take that wire of 1 meter and then put a stone and place it into the middle. Now bend the wire and hold both the wire together as I am showing, then twist it. You can use tools to twist it, but I am doing with my hand to show you that you don't have to rely on any tool. Now take another stone and do the same, but the twisting part should not be more than the first one. Then put the third stone to the other wire and twist it, and that's how you have to do alternately with both of the wires. Now after doing up to this, put another stone directly into the middle and again twist it. After that, do the previous process again, but you can add more stones in different positions to make different designs. Now these are all I have made, but before joining them, we have to spread all the stones in different directions randomly. And now join them one by one as I am doing. Here the most important thing you have to make sure is that to bend all the ends of the wire properly, otherwise it can stuck with your hair. After joining one by one, you have to check whether the circle you have made is of your head size or not. If it is perfect, then join both the ends and check again if all the end parts are properly bended. And here is your tiara ready. Now for the next one, take the same wire and wrap it around a scale. And after making 3 turns, remove it from the scale and tightly wrap it with the excess of the wire. Now bend this wire into a semicircle, and here I have made this structure with the same process, but here you can see the twisting parts are smaller and all those stones are closely placed. Now these all we have to make, and each time 2 stones will be less. Now the bigger one will be placed in the middle, and one by one according to their height all the structure will be placed like a crown shape. But make sure all the parts will be attached tightly, otherwise it will tilt to the front direction. Now with the help of a scissor, I am securing all the ends of the wire so that it will not poke in my head. After doing it, make some adjustment to make it look like a proper crown. And add 2 ribbons both the ends to tie your tiara on your head. And here is your crown ready.